So we are very excited being here and we really learned a lot of new things.
I think this event is very well organized and I enjoy it a lot.
I think this program is a great chance for most people like us in Asian countries.
We know more about Metaverse technologies, and we will apply this knowledge in our country. Yeah.
For the programs, I wish there would be this program more.
I think the ASEAN-RoK Metaverse idea contest focusing on cultural heritage is a fantastic idea, and I think that I do hope to look forward to see such contests taking place in the future that will perhaps also invite RoK students to participate in such a contest with the ASEAN students.